Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you're welcome to Nasib IT. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how can you design this logo easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So guys, first of all you have to set up a page. To do it you have to click on the file, then you have to select new, then you have to click on this box, then select inches, then click on this box and type out 7 inches, then click on this box and type out 4 inches. Then select advanced option, then select 300 ppi or the height preset, then you have to click on create. So after creating the page, you have to select the text tool, then you have to click on here, then you have to type out G. Then you have to select this letter, then click on properties. So if you don't find the properties, so you have to click on Windows, then you have to select properties panel from here. So then you have to click on here, then you have to select this font style. So after that you have to select the move tool, then press and hold a shift key, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here. Then you have to select fill, then disable the fill by clicking on here, then you have to click on stroke, then select the black color. So then you have to select the move tool, then you have to select this again, then double click on here, then select this text, then click on here, then you have to select bold. So then you have to select the move tool again, then you have to right click on it, then you have to click on create outlines, then you have to right click on it again, then you have to select ungroup. So after that you have to select the direct selection tool, then you have to select this area from the letter, then you have to press delete. So then you have to select this area, then you have to press delete again. So now we have to select the move tool, then you have to right click on the path, then you have to select ungroup, then you have to right click on here again, then you have to select release compound path, then you have to select this, then drag this in here, then you have to delete this. So now we have to select the direct selection tool again, then you have to select this area from the letter, then you have to press the upper arrow key from the keyboard. So now we have to select the move tool again, then you have to press and hold a shift key, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here. So now you have to select the shape tool, then you have to select the round shape, then press and hold a shift key, then draw a shape in here, then click on stroke, then disable the stroke, and then click on fill, then select any color. Then you have to select the move tool, then click on the gradient panel. If you don't find it, so you have to click on Windows, then you have to select gradient. So now you have to click on here, then you have to select this, then double click on here, then click on here, then you have to select any color. Then you have to go into the color panel, then you have to select the blue color, but you can select any color. So I am selecting the blue color. Then you have to select this, then double click on here, then you have to click on here again, then you have to select the red color. Then you have to click on the color panel, then you have to select the pink color. Then select this again, then double click on here, then you have to select this color from here. So you can note this color code to use this color accurately. You can also note the color code of this point. So after that you have to select the move tool again, then you have to press and hold Alt key, then take it over from this and drag this in here. So then you have to select this, then you have to click on object, then you have to select blend, then you have to select blend option, then select specified steps, then type here 300, then click on OK, then click on object, then you have to select blend, then you have to select make. So now we have to select this, you have to select all that from here, then you have to click on object again, then you have to select blend again, then you have to select this option. So now we have to drag this in here. So after that you have to click on effect, then you have to select distort and transform, then you have to select this option. So after that you have to click on this box and type here 30, then you have to click on this box and type here 60. So then you can click on preview to see the preview of this effect. So I am decreasing the size and I am increasing the detail. So now here you can see our design has been completed. So after that you have to click on OK, then select the direct selection tool again, then you have to select this area of the letter, then drag this in here, then you have to select this area, then drag this in here. So So now here you can see our design has been completed. So now we have to set this in a mockup. To do this, you have to increase the size of this, then you have to drag this in here. You have to drag this in the center. Then you have to click on File, then click on Export. Then you have to select Export As. Then you have to select the location. So I am selecting the desktop. Then you have to click on this box and type here any name of your logo. You have to select any name of your file. Then you have to select the PNG format. Then click on Export. Then you have to select 300 ppi from this box. Then click on OK. So after that, you have to open the Adobe Photoshop. So if you want to set this design in a mockup, so you need to open the Photoshop. Otherwise, you don't need to open the Photoshop. So I am opening the Photoshop from my PC. So in this way, you can design this logo easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.